Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to ask Cursor AI to design some more use cases. I'm going to ask to design complete Cursor operations like RESTful APIs. With the help of this Cursor AI, so let's start. I have already project which is the basic template. So please go and watch my previous video. So it's just a basic template which I asked the AI to Cursor AI to design this just one entity class. So now I'm going to deep dive. I'm going to ask some uh, some more use cases for example, let's say uh, design complete curl operations, curl REST API, let's say REST curl operations, curl REST APIs, APIs like post, okay, post, get, put, delete, okay. So let's see what it will do. I just given a prompt and asked to design all the curl APIs. So like post, get, put, and delete. So it started analyzing. So let's see what it can do. Okay, so it has taken the, if you want the code endpoint on the extending, continue. Okay, let's say I just say continue. I don't, okay, if you want to see the code for this, yes. So now let's say what it is doing. Please specify would you like to do the next step. Full code with the DTO. Yes, I will say this. Okay, let's see what it will do. What is the full code for the controller service or DTOs? Okay, so show all. Okay, so let's ask. Let's see what it will do. Okay, gas taken, product controller, uh, two for timeout. Okay, two for timeout. What is this? I think okay, maybe what is saying. It should generate, but I think some issue. Okay, so why it is searching? Okay, all related classes. Let's say okay, okay. So it is starting creating all the related classes. Mm, fine. So maybe it was looking in the directory. So previously when I was testing, so for that maybe it has taken the search. So now I just asked to create. Let's see whether it can create or not. Could not find. Okay, skip and continue. Yeah. Okay. So now you can see that it has created okay, service class. Okay, let me accept. I looks fine for me. Then it has created let's go to the next. Oh, nice. It has created me what IMPL class, which is looks fine for me. So okay, it is starting creating the DTO class. Okay, let's see. It has taken the DTO also. Okay, DTA I have not mentioned now. Maybe I have mentioned previously so that it has taken the DTO. controller class. Okay, let me create controller class. Okay, so okay, it has created the util class for mappers. Okay, fine. Now it is creating the controller class when where another product has been created over for all the call operations. Cool guys. So this particular has uh, prompt has created everything for me. So now it's time to just restart and test whether these are working or not. Okay. So okay, my server is about to up. Okay, it is up. I just try to search. Okay, get API. What is this? Same right? Get API products. Okay. So let us do one thing. Let us fetch the product. Okay, there is no product. Let me do one thing. Let me create one product. Okay, sample product I have already. So now let me try to get the products. Oh, what happened? Okay, it's a get to product by ID and API. Okay, let me try get product. Oh, this is not taking. Okay, get products. I can see. Okay, I got the get product by ID. Yep, I think yes, guys. So it has created all the APIs. So with the working, okay, I can see and I can test also. Okay, so this is awesome, right? So it has created DTO, it has created the related util class, it has created the mapping. Okay, it is also not using the direct entity classes, but instead it is using the product classes and it is converting to entity and to response DTO. So this is fine. So if I look at in the controller class, I don't see any try catch blocks. Let's see and ask add try catch blocks in controller. Okay, I just given one prompt to add this looks very vague. Okay, so I just given a prompt to add all the try catch, handle all the exceptions so that it should look more real time. So just one single prompt, this has created almost a real time project. I mean, at least the template you can see it has the service, it has a service INPL, entity, DTO, then it is using use of util. Okay, see guys, this is ready with the try catch blocks. Properly it has written the try and handling exceptions. This is also looks very fine for me. Yeah, in less than a minute it is generated. It has generated the controller class, product class. Wow, very nice. So up and running, working card demo. Yeah, so I think that's all for now in this video, guys. In the next video, I'll ask this cursor AI to implement Swagger. Let's see whether it can add the Swagger or not. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.